Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you turn on location in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on guys location in your Vivo phone, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on location in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel and are watching a video first time, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on location guys. So I scroll it, then guys you can see guys this location. So guys we will click here and guys you want to on, so guys you can on and off from here guys. So you can see guys this notification location may you or may use success like GPS, Wi-Fi, mobile networks. So guys you want to on and guys you want to off, so guys you can on off from here. So guys I want to on, so guys I will on it. So I hope friends you have understood how to on location in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.